Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Do's English, where learning English is easy, fun, and real. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We are so happy you're here today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today, we have a great topic.
A very useful topic, a topic from real life.
Today, we're learning English at the mall, the shopping mall.
Yes, we will practice how to shop, how to order food, how to ask for help, and how to talk to workers at the mall.
So listen carefully, repeat with us, and speak out loud, even if you are alone.
Your English will get better when you repeat and speak.
Before we start, if you like learning English with us, please like
And subscribe. It really helps the channel, and you will never miss a new video.
Phase 1, Vocabulary Warm-Up. Okay, James, let's go to the mall.
I love the mall. It is big. It has many stores.
Yes, stores or shops. Both words are correct. Repeat after us. Store, shop, mall.
Phrases around the mall. When we walk into the mall, we see many places. We see clothing store, shoe store, food court, bookstore, cinema or movie theater.
Great! Let's say them slowly. Repeat. Clothing store, shoe store, food court, bookstore, movie theater.
Nice job. You're learning already.
Phase 2, Dialogue Practice at a clothing store. Let's go inside a clothing store.
Okay, I see shirts. I see pants. I see jackets.
Yes, and hats, jeans, dresses, so many clothes. Repeat. Shirt, pants, jeans, dress, jacket.
Now, I find a shirt I like. It's blue, but I need to know the size.
Yes, size is important. Repeat. Small, medium, large.
So I say, "Excuse me, do you have medium?"
Perfect English. Repeat the full sentence. Excuse me, do you have medium?
If the shirt fits, I say, "I'll take it."
Yes, that means I want to buy it. Repeat. I'll take it.
Phase 3, Paying at the cashier. Now I go to the cashier.
The cashier says, "Hi, how would you like to pay?"
I can say, with cash, with card, with debit card, with credit card. Repeat after us. Cash card, credit card, debit card.
After you pay, the cashier gives you a receipt. Repeat. Receipt.
Keep the receipt. Maybe the size is wrong. Maybe you want to return it.
Yes, always keep the receipt. Phase 4, Asking for help at the mall.
Okay, now I am walking in the mall, and, oh no, I am lost.
Oh no, James. What can you do?
I can ask someone for help. Repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, where is the exit?
Perfect question. Short and polite. You can also ask, repeat. Excuse me, where is the food court? Excuse me, where is the shoe store? Excuse me, where is the exit?
These questions will help so much.
Phase 5, At the food court. Okay, now we are hungry. Let's go to the food court.
I smell pizza.
I smell burgers.
The worker says, "Hello, what would you like?"
Great question. You can answer. Repeat. 1 slice of cheese pizza, please. 1 hamburger, please. 1 sandwich and a water, please.
Always end with please. It is polite.
Phase 6, Listening Practice. Listen first. Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Hi, can I have one slice of pizza, please?
How much is it?
It is $10. Now repeat with us.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
Hi, can I have one slice of pizza, please?
How much is it?
It is $10.
Great job! You're doing amazing.
Wow, we learned a lot today.
Yes, let's review. Today you learned mall store, food court, receipt. Excuse me, where is... How much is it? I'll take it.
These phrases help you speak English in real life, not just in a book.
And remember, practice speaking, not only listening.
You are doing great. Keep going.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Write your answer in the comments, in English. Question: What is the first store you visit at the mall?
A clothing store? A shoe store? The food court? Tell us.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode.
See you next time on Do's English.